So these are the non-LED, so the incandescent bulbs, blinker and turn signal or running light. This one running light, and then obviously turn signal and side marker. These ones obviously already swapped out for the OEM Mopar LEDs. And today I'm going to swap out these fender lights for a set of Morimoto LED sequential blinker lights. So these are the lights in the box, the Morimoto replacement lights. Maybe hard to tell in this light here. Let me see. Bring this attached to it. So obviously they're a lot darker, tinted, so that's going to look nice, as opposed to the factory, the OEM ones are a lot lighter. So what's up? So today I'm going to take you through the install of my Morimoto fender lights, the LED upgrade package. I have never done this before, so this is not exactly a hey, this is how you do it. It's more of a hey, this is how I did it, and I'll try to take you through it step by step and show you my experience, and maybe learn a thing or two from what to do or not to do. So stay tuned, and let's give this a go.
I've been MIA. They can't take my spot before they take me to the grave. Swear it's been too long, yeah, I can't recall your name. I've been working so hard, I'm just trying to get away. Tell me what you doing, won't you tell me where you been? If you got an issue, we can go and solve it then. I've been making M's, got this money.
So the instructions say to remove the fender completely off the Jeep. That's probably what's going to have to happen in the end, but I'm going to first try the lazy way, and that is to simply access it through just by pulling out the fender liner a little bit more and just getting access that way, and see if it can be done while mounting, while having the fender mounted. And my main reason for that is I don't have any replacement clips right now on me to put back in if I do break and snap some off from the body on the fender. So okay, this might be hopefully good enough. Alright, so I want to say we'll just go ahead and try to pop off the fender. I do believe at this point it's disconnected and it should come off. I removed 4 screws. So let's just see. This doesn't feel right. Okay. I know they just pop off, but well, not just, because honestly it's in there tight. I don't want to do it. I just don't want to do it. Alright, I'm going to continue being stubborn a little bit longer and try it this way until I reach a point of no return, and we'll see. So I believe right now what's holding me up here from pulling this flap down is this piece here. There's a body mount here. This is a metal part, and it's rounded, and this piece of plastic here is wedged in between the body mount, and so preventing it from folding down. But there's also a screw here, so how important this piece of plastic is to be wedged in there, I don't know. What I'm going to do is I'm going to trim this piece out, and hopefully this will allow me to fold this down and access the lights behind it without having to remove the fender. So let's give that a try. we go. Success. All right. Well, it can stay there as a spacer for later. We plug back there. Let's go into I need to reveal. Okay, so I've been able to remove the factory light without removing the fender. Unfortunately, my card was full, so you didn't see it. But yeah, check it out. Side by side, it's not hard to tell which one's gonna look a heck of a lot better. Okay, cool. Let's reinstall. Alright, so the wiring works, the light works. My only first impression and first slight disappointment is that the white is not as bright white as the OEM headlights. On camera it might look like it might be, but in person it looks a little bit more, well, I guess it's because of the tinted glass, and that just makes it a little bit more, I guess, smoky looking as opposed to pure crispy white. But, you know, it still looks pretty good. Definitely a big improvement over stock.
I've been MIA. They can't take my spot before they take me to the grave. Swear it's been too long, yeah, I can't recall your name. I've been working so hard, I'm just trying to get away. Tell me what you're doing, won't you tell me where you've been? If you got an issue, we can go and solve it then. I've been making M's, got this money I'ma spend. Ain't seen you at the start, you been coming to the end. Yeah, we been going way up, yeah, we like the view. Riding in the Benz, I might drop the roof, drop the roof, drop the roof, drop the drop. Now we making moves. roof.